Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you block and unblock contacts on Botim app. In order to block or unblock contact on Botim app, you need to follow these steps. So here, what you need to do is, first of all, open the Botim application on your device. Once you're logged in, the interface will look something like this. Next, what you have to do is you simply want to click on the chat button, or you could just go to the call section, right? So if you can find the user that you want to block on this page, you want to click on their name. Make sure to tap on it. And as you click on it, you could find these block contact, right? So click on the block button. And once you actually done it, so you could just head back and there you have a contact once again, right? So click on the initial once again. And if you want to unblock, you simply want to click on it. And this is the way you'll be able to block or unblock contact on Botim app. So that's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.